Alright guys, down in smallmouth territory right now. A little part of the Mohawk River over here in Cohoes, New York. The water's moving pretty quick. I don't think these fish are going to be in here yet, just because they don't want to fight this current. But I'm not having any luck anywhere else right now, so I figured why not come here and see if I can get a nice smallmouth or a walleye maybe. But I really don't think they're fighting this current yet. It's a little too early in the season. But I usually catch the majority of my smallmouth. I stand on this side, I cast across over to there, and with a jerk bait, I just pull it in. I usually slam a lot of smallmouths, but right now I know it's just going to be a little too early. I actually have a really big bait tied on right now that I was just fishing for largies with, but I might have to switch off to a little, I'd say maybe a tube. I know they like those little tubes in here, a 1/4 ounce jig. I'm not sure if I'll get anything out of here, but had to at least try. Saw a big boiler right there. I don't think that was a fish though. That's just the way the current's going. Man, is it warm right now. Oh, something hit it. Damn it. We just had something hit it right here by the shoreline, guys. I'm not sure what it was. It hit pretty good. See if we can do a little better here. No idea what it was. I didn't get to see it. All right. Let's figure this out here. Spinner might actually work in here too. You never know. Let's try this big whopper popper. See if something will slam this big boy. fun. Whopper Plopper 130. It's a big boy right here. Probably should have this on like 17-pound line or something, but Whopper Plopper 130. That thing is tank. Let's whip this thing out there and see how far we can get it. And Jesus, this thing is a beast. Let's see. Jesus, that's out there. Let's see if we get something to slam this thing on the top. Ugh. This a jerk bait from 6 cents to provoke. Pro shad color. This is my favorite fern here, but I don't think these bass are going to be in here yet, but we're still going to try. So far, the only thing I got hit on was that Texas rigged Gary Yamamoto's Zako. So I got hit on that. Might go back to it if we don't get nothing on these faster moving baits. Go back to a slower presentation. That was a fish. First fish, guys. That's gonna be a good one. Nice smallie. First fish. I knew I'd get you to bite. Get up here. Get up here, you fat smallie. Yeah. It's a good size right here. I don't like these treble hooks. Oh, hey, that's good. Got you out. That's good. What if I can rinse you off quick? Look at this fish. Beautiful. Sorry to drop you on your noggin. Gotta hang on to you tight. You're gonna be a hard one here. There we go. Get some of that dirt off you. Let the world see you. This was our first smallmouth of the day. Nice size. Good, I'd say £1.5 smallie. You get a little weight on her. Let's get a good weight. I think she's just like maybe £1.5. I know a lot of people don't really weigh smallmouths much, but considering it's my first one, oh, over here, and it's a pretty good size, I'd like to try it. See what we're looking at. Now she's got some rocks on her here, so we're gonna 1 pound. Let's zero that out. All right, yeah, right around 1 pound. Oh, let's see, almost 2. We got 1.13. Probably see that right there. Almost a 2. Almost a 2-pounder. And we got from tip 16. Let's get her back in the water. Beautiful fish. Thank you for biting. All right, so we didn't skunk. She just swam away. Get all the rocks off you. Ah, I know I shouldn't have loosened that drag that much. Or the brake, I mean. There we go. That was a hit. Got another smallie. Oh yeah. Fish number 2. Don't want to rip it out of its lip. I know I got a hook good, so. Oh, is this a smallie? What is it, walleye? What we got here? Nice walleye. Don't lose you. Don't lose you. Oof. We got a tank of a walleye. This is a good one. Not the biggest I've caught, but boy, this is a nice walleye. It's got some weight to it too. Come here. Yeah, you're mad, huh? Look at this thing flare out. All pissed off. All pissed off. Let's get these trebles out of there. It's double hooked right in the bone. There we go. I don't want to stab you in your eyeball. Let's get that out of there. Another thing with these trebles, man. Look at this size of this walleye. Length on this one, actually. And we got, stay still, 19 inch. All right, let's get you back in. Thank you. Come again. Nice fish. And gone. A little disoriented from that drop. almost wondering if there's like a big rock that they're hiding behind. I'm kind of hitting the rock as I go by. Bald eagle. Bald eagle, guys. Awesome. Look at that thing. Hopefully y'all can see that. Beautiful, beautiful bird. Oh, that was a bite. Got him. Got here. Smallie. All right. Smallmouth. What's up, small jaw? Small jaw. I'm a jerk bait. Oh, don't get that hook in me, son. I've already had that before. I didn't like it. It hurts. All right, easy there, easy. All right, we're gonna get this out of you. You make me nervous. You smallies with these hooks, man. Make me nervous. There we go. Easy, easy, easy. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Beautiful markings. There we go. Let's get some of this. Let's get you cleaned up for your picture. Got a little blood on you there in the corner of your mouth. You're not a huge fish, but you have beautiful markings. Dark green. Got you hooked right there. A little tongue. Love the colors. Love the dark colors on these. Thank you. Thank you for biting. All right. Let's get back in there with the... I'll show you a close-up of this here. Provoke jerk bait by 6 cents. This is the Pro Shad. It's got the little red right there. I'm not really sure if that little red does anything, but these fish like it. I think it's might be a half ounce maybe. Can't remember the weight on it, but it's got some little rattlers in there. Little, I think it's 3-foot diver. Oh, oh, there's a fish. Fish number 3. What is that? Is that a cat? Hope that ain't no channel cat. Another walleye. Nice one too. Please don't come off. You're barely hooked. Please don't come off. You're barely hooked. Oh, wow. This is a freaking tank. Look at this one. Come on. That's a big one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a good size.
It is. There's my hand, and then you got that much of the head, then my hand, and you got all that body. So this is definitely a good one. Hi. Say hi. So I'm gonna measure it right now. Thinking right around maybe 20. I think she's full of eggs. Stay still. Oh, don't fall. And don't bite my leg. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. 19. Oh, Jesus. She's pissed. Oh, man. Come here. You're gonna go back in. You're not being very cooperative. But yeah, it's a 19. Get your ass up in the morning. Get yourself a fish. I'm just kind of slowing it reeling it slow, and oh, just had a fish follow it, and doing some twitches. You'll see me use the line. I'll let the line go slack, and when I pull it up and then I let the line go slack, that's when I give it a couple of nice whacks. That'll make that bait jerk like this through the water. It look like an injured fish. Don't be afraid to give your jerk bait a nice good couple of whacks, because them little twitches will work too, but I see these big ones get that movement going and it gets their attention. They think that fish is injured and then they come after it. So I don't know, that's what works for me. I'm in the river, so might be different in the lake. It's a good spot. Go over that snag spot. Oh, there's a fish. Oh my God, that's a big smallmouth. Oh, I hope I get him up the bank. Oh my God. That is a big smallmouth. Oh, please don't come off. Please, I wish I had my net. Oh my God, he's a tank. Oh, I'm gonna try to get him down. He's got one hook in him. One hook. Don't come off, please don't come off. I need to get you down shallow. Come on. Don't come off. I need to get you down shallow. Come on. Just cooperate with me, buddy. Almost here. You're almost here. Please let me get this fish up in the water. Please. Yes. Oh, thank God. Wow. That is a smallmouth. Holy crap. That is the biggest smallmouth I've ever caught in my life. Oh my God. Wow. You are a tank. Please don't hook me. Let me get these out of you. Please don't hook me. I need to get up here. My pants are falling down. I got the biggest smallmouth I've ever caught. Oh man. Set my pole right here. Pull these pants up. Oh. All right, we gotta get this hook out of you. You are the biggest smallmouth. I'm so happy. My pants are falling down. I look like an idiot trying to hold them and walk. Oh. All right, let's get this. Get the hook out of you here. Wow. You are a tank. Thank you. Wow. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Full of eggs. Big mama. That is a big, beautiful bronze back. Oh, my heart's pounding. This thing is a beast. A beast. I'm so happy. Look at that belly. Oh my God. So I need some pictures with you, and then we're gonna weigh you up and we're gonna get you back into the water. You are a tank. Oh my God. All right, let's get a weight on you, big mama. Let's go, big mama. All right. We got zeros. Yes, my biggest smallmouth ever. 3.2 pounds, guys. 3.2. I hope you can see that. I don't know if you can, but that is a nice smallie. I want to get her back in because she's pregnant, but I do want to get a measurement. She'll be fine. 3.2 pounds and 19 inches. All right, baby, we'll get you back in, baby. You're right on my phone, and that's cool. You can slime my phone up any day. Wow. Thank you, big mama. You're full of eggs, so I'm not gonna just toss you in. You're gonna go right in this little spot right here. Let's get a good release on you, big mama. And she's gone. We're gonna call it a day. Had a lot of fun out here in the river. Everything I caught today was on the 6 cents provoke jerk bait pro shad with the mock crush. What is it? 7-foot medium heavy fast action tip, and the gear ratio is 7.5 to 1. This is the new mock crush I came out with this year. Held up well. Didn't catch nothing huge, but did get my PB. Super stoked about that. It's always great when you break a PB. 3.1 smallmouth is definitely not a small fish here in upstate New York. She was full of eggs. She was released healthy and go back to do her business. But this is what I was using. 6 cents provoke jerk bait. This is the Ghost Pro shad color here. In case you guys want to hit some rivers, it's a 3-foot diver, so it's pretty good. And I had it on a 10-pound mono. So I didn't use any other baits because obviously they were hitting on that. So I wasn't gonna switch nothing up, but I definitely do appreciate you guys. If you guys enjoy these videos, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I appreciate it. And tight lines, get out there and get some fish, guys. You know, there's a lot of chaos going on in the world, and when you're surrounded by stuff like this, it calms you down, clears your mind out, makes you a better person, in my opinion. So if you don't fish, try it. You know, and if you don't catch nothing, just keep trying. Try different things, try different areas. That's what I did, and now I'm hooked. And so like I said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'd appreciate it, you son of a fish.